How to snap yourself on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. The process is very simple. What you will have to do is simply take a snap first and then tap on send to. After that, what you will have to do is search for your own name and you will see a text written that says me in bracket, which is yourself, and then send it. Now as you can see, you have now sent a snap to yourself like this. You can also save it and use it for future reference. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.